What does giving back to the community mean to you?
I guess just helping those who need help.
Come on, somebody.
That is the best way to put it.
Yeah. How do you feel giving back to the community?
Great. Everyone need to give back to the community.
A multitude of people that's coming, people needing food, so we want to give all the manner that we can.
How do you feel giving back to the community today?
I love giving back to the community, and I think that if anybody in this community is hungry, they won't be after today.
Come on, somebody.
Praise God.
Hello everyone. Today we served 152 in the community.
Amen.